Okay, so this is the house coming in the basement. If you go right, this will be Michael's garage section for his car. And we'll come left. Lots of storage. Motorcycles, whatever goes in here. And then this is the back side. Alright, stairs that go up to the first level. So let's go. We're going to go up the stairs. I have to... Okay, so this is the first level of the house. You are going to come out and into the kitchen. So this is going to be the kitchen. And then on the other side of the kitchen, through there, will be the laundry room / pantry. There will be a window there, not a door. And then across from the pantry is a bathroom, the half bath. And then this will be a coat closet. I know it's really hard to see that, but coat closet. All right, so you come off the stairs. This will be the living room. And this is the front of the house. So this is the view out the front windows. Of the house. And there will be a deck. There's the roof to the deck. There's just no deck yet. Okay, come through here. This is going to be the front door. Front door. And then from the living room, this will be the formal dining room. On and back around into, we haven't quite decided what we're going to put in here. Maybe a little eat-in, and then his kitchen. So this is all kitchen. This will be his kitchen. And it comes out to, I don't know, maybe a foot past that piece of MDF, OSB, whatever that stuff is. Okay, off of the kitchen / formal dining room is his deck. So he has a deck that will be here. Okay. See, roof. There's the roof to the deck. There's just no deck yet. We have the ramp that comes up into the side of the house. Okay, so coming in off the deck again, you'll have like an eat-in little area. This right here is the kitchen. Through those 2x4s is the laundry room / pantry. That will be a window, not a door. Straight across is a half bath. On the other side of the entrance of the stairs going to the basement is a closet, coat closet. This is the formal dining room, front of the house, front door, and on the through those 2x4s is the living room. I was going to call it the flex room because that's what it originally was called. All right, so now we're going to go upstairs. So this is the second floor. We're going to go up to the third floor. So I try not to fall. Okay, as you come up the stairs, of course that will be a wall. All right. This direction is the master bedroom. So this is going to be the master bedroom. And in the master bedroom, there's a little nook right here for my desk. Again, the front of the house. This is the view out the master bedroom. Okay. And out master bedroom. There's the roof to the side deck. Neighbors. And then this is the roof to the deck down below off of the second floor. Okay, master bedroom, sorry. And then this is the master bathroom. So in the master bathroom, we have shower will be over there. Let me step back. Here would be his and her sinks. Through this little doorway is the toilet. My closet or his closet, it just depends on which one ends up being bigger. This is, we don't like tubs, so this is where the tub was supposed to go. So this is my get ready in the morning area. And his closet or my closet, again, depending on which is bigger. I get the bigger closet. Okay, coming out of the master bedroom, stairway down to the second floor. Okay, this will be a hallway. And this is going to go to the guest suite. Let me back up some. So guest suite, that's the entrance to the guest suite. So you come into the guest bedroom, and again, view out of their windows, front of the house, bed, whatnot. And then this is the guest bathroom. So this is a full bathroom. In this bathroom, you'll have sinks, toilet, tubby, shower thing. Okay? And over here is the closet. So yes, it is a massive closet because technically it was going to be half of this, but because we took out a bedroom and made it his office, we had to rephrase that. We made that closet only for this bedroom because we only wanted the house to be a 2-bedroom. So his office had to lose the closet. So this goes to his office. So this is his office. Slash also, if we ever had to needed another place for somebody to stay, they could. The view out one of his windows is the back of the house. Yay, back of the house. And the view out of his other window is he can see, he's down there working, he can see the road, he can see if anybody is approaching. We'll have cameras also, but he'll be able to see if anybody's coming up the driveway and kind of watch people go by and stare out the front of the house. It's not a bad view. He still has a good view of the Chira Hall in the background. So this is our house. And then up here, of course, that is the attic. There is a lot of room in this attic. And there will be an entryway, I guess I could have looked up, to the attic here. This will be the entryway to the attic. There will be stairs here. And we'll be able to get up into the attic. They already have some OSB down, I've noticed. Not really sure what the funny one in the corner is. That's where part of our air conditioning system will be as well. So this is our house. And stairs that go back down to the second level, sorry. Keep forgetting we have a basement, which is considered the first level. Over here, living room, front door, formal dining room, into the kitchen. That's our home. Home sweet home.